Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's evolve.
So friends, today I am back with a new very powerful tool of Excel, which is VLOOKUP. As you can see, I have taken a table over here of my data. Some of the items are noted down here along with their amount. Now imagine that I have to give these items to someone, or I have to sell these things, or I am making a sheet for my organization for showing up the data, but some of the values have to be repeated. I have to look for values for some of the particular cells. So in that case, what we are generally doing is we type the name, right, and then we search for the amount of that particular thing. Like I have written here glue, and now I have to come to this table and search where is glue written, and then I have to check out its amount value, which is 50. So now I will note it down 50. So it is a very long time taking activity. So for reducing this time taking activity, there is a very powerful tool which is known as VLOOKUP. So let's get started with our VLOOKUP formula. We need to put I is equal to, for starting a formula, then we need to write VLOOKUP, opens the bracket, and a formula is started. As it is written here, lookup value. The formula is asking for the value where it has to look, what you want to find. So I want to find this particular value. Whatever I will write in the cell B2, I need to find that item's value. So I have taken lookup value. Now it is asking for table array, that at which table or which place it will find the value of this particular cell. So I will mention it here that the table is right here, and function F4 for putting up the dollars, comma. Now it is asking cold index number. Cold index number is the number of the column in which the value is noted down. In this case, there are only two columns in my table, as you can see, but the table can be of number of columns. So you have to just tell him that you have to look for this value in this particular number of column. So in my case, the values are written in column number 2. So we will write here 2, comma. Now it is asking what do you want to see, approximate match or exact match. What I want is exact match, so I will write here 0 and close the formula, and we will press enter. As you can see, right now it is not giving any value because nothing is written over here. So let's write as last time we have written glue, so I will write the same thing, GLUE, glue, hit enter. As you can see, now it is showing me the value amount 50. Now all I need to do is just drag it down, and now all I need to do is write my item here. Let's see, the spelling is incorrect, that's why it is not giving me the value, because we have asked it for the exact match. So we will write the correct spell, and you can see the values are here. As you can see, it is automatically giving me all the amounts in the column C. So this is a very powerful tool. I hope you will find it handy and useful for your daily work. If you have any queries regarding this formula, you can ask me in the comment section below. And my dear friends, do not forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.